This video is about particle pressure in a gas, which is described by kinetic theory. Kinetic theory describes the particle pressure in a gas. Molecules in a gas are in constant random motion at high speeds. The random motion means they travel along no specific path, but change direction if they collide with container walls or other molecules. Particles create pressure on the walls of their containers. The collisions produce a net force at right angles to the wall of the container. A gas at a high pressure has more frequent collisions between the particles and the container walls. Hence, the force per unit area exerted by the particles is higher. This can be calculated using the equation for pressure between solids. Pressure in pascals is equal to force in newtons divided by area in meters squared. In this worked example, some gas molecules are in a box at room temperature. The positions of some of these molecules are shown in the diagram below. Part A is to describe how the molecules exert a pressure on the walls of the box for 2 marks. This question is asking only about the particle collisions with the container walls and not with each other. Remember that a particle collision against the wall creates a force, which causes an increase in pressure. Hence, the answer is the molecules exert a pressure on the walls of the box by collisions for 1 mark of the molecules with the walls of the box for the 2nd mark. In part B of this worked example, 1 mole of gas contains 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Each molecule contributes a force of 1.2 times 10 to the power of minus 20 newtons on the right wall of the box. The wall has an area of 0.05 meters squared. Calculate the pressure created by 1 mole of the molecules colliding with the right wall of the box. Give your answer in standard form to 2 significant figures for 4 marks. First, calculate the total force exerted by 1 mole of molecules. The total force is equal to the force of 1 molecule times the number of molecules. So, 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 times 1.2 times 10 to the power of minus 20, which is equal to 7,226.4 newtons for 1 mark. Recall the equation for calculating molecule pressure. Pressure is equal to force divided by area for 1 mark. Substitute the known quantities into the equation. Pressure is equal to 7,226.4 divided by 0.05 for 1 mark. Calculate the total pressure. Pressure then is equal to 144,528, which is equal to 1.4 times 10 to the power of 5 pascals for the 4th mark. Take a moment to consider whether your answer makes sense. The large number of molecules create a large pressure. You should know from your maths course that numbers in standard form are written with a value greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10, times 10 to the power of an integer. If the integer is positive, the number is big. If it is negative, the number is small. In summary, particles in a gas move at constant random motion at high speeds. Random motion means they travel along no specific path. Particles change direction if they collide with container walls or other molecules. Particles create pressure on container walls. This is calculated using the equation for pressure between solids. Pressure in pascals is equal to force in newtons divided by area in meters squared. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.